Hey everyone, big news in the XR world. Meta is about to shake things up in a way that could change VR and AR development forever. If you're into virtual reality, augmented reality, or anything in between, this is huge. Their version 74 SDK is dropping this week, and trust me, this is not just another routine update. Meta is tearing down barriers between platforms and giving developers more freedom than ever before. For years, if you wanted to build something cool in XR, you had to pick a side: Unity, Unreal, or Godot, each with its own quirks, limitations, and challenges. But now, Meta is making OpenXR the recommended standard for developing immersive experiences across all three. That means developers can create once and deploy everywhere without sacrificing access to powerful Horizon OS features. And honestly, it's about time. No one wants to waste time reinventing the wheel just to make an app work on different headsets. This shift is a game changer, not just for developers but for the entire XR industry. With OpenXR as the foundation, the future of cross-platform VR and AR is looking a lot more open, accessible, and exciting. Now, let's talk about what this means for game engines. If you're a Unity developer, you don't have to worry. Switching to OpenXR should be smooth. Everything you had with the Oculus XR plugin is still there, so you can keep building without losing any key features. For Unreal Engine developers, you've got options. You can go full OpenXR for maximum cross-platform compatibility, or if you want to take advantage of some extra platform perks, Meta has a GitHub fork that adds additional features tailored for their ecosystem. Either way, Unreal devs now have more flexibility than ever. And for those working with Godot, you're not left out either. OpenXR is baked right into the engine, and if you're building for Horizon OS, you can access additional perks through plugins. This means developers across all major engines can now focus on creating great content rather than worrying about platform-specific limitations. The bottom line: no matter which engine you prefer, OpenXR is making it easier to build immersive experiences that work across different devices, without the hassle of reworking everything for each platform. But this isn't just about games. This shift has massive implications for businesses and industries beyond entertainment. Companies that rely on VR for training, product design, or virtual showrooms can now create experiences that work seamlessly across different headsets. Instead of wasting time and resources developing separate versions for different platforms, they can focus on making one high-quality build that works everywhere. For industries like healthcare, architecture, and education, this could be a game changer. Imagine medical training simulations that don't require a specific headset, or virtual real estate tours that work across any VR device. The potential for more efficient, cost-effective XR applications is huge, and businesses stand to benefit in a big way. And for everyday users, this could be the beginning of the end for that frustrating "my favorite app isn't available on my headset" problem. More OpenXR adoption means fewer exclusives locking people into specific hardware. No more missing out just because you didn't buy the right brand of VR headset. Your apps and experiences will work across multiple devices. Meta isn't just talking about making XR more open, they're actually putting in the work. They've contributed 67% of all OpenXR extensions and developed 61 VR-specific features, including advanced technologies like space warp, foveation, and pass-through. These aren't just minor tweaks, they're core innovations that improve performance, visual quality, and overall immersion in VR. What's even more surprising is that Meta isn't keeping these advancements to itself. In an industry where companies often guard their tech behind closed doors, Meta is openly sharing many of these features with other companies. This could encourage more hardware makers to support OpenXR, leading to a more unified XR ecosystem. By making development easier and providing powerful tools to the entire industry, Meta is pushing XR forward in a way that benefits not just developers and businesses but also consumers. The more companies adopt OpenXR, the closer we get to a future where XR content is truly platform agnostic, giving users more choices and fewer restrictions.